Hey everybody, Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management and service counter selling skills in around 60 seconds. How do you motivate your automotive team and do so effectively? Look, in the little bit of time we have, two things. Number one, goal set with them, and number two, celebrate with them. When you set goals with them, include them in the goals. Show them their best day ever, their best week ever, their best month ever, whatever time period it is, and say to them, what made this so good? How close do you think you can get to this on a consistent basis? Let them set that target for you. And then after that, make sure that they have the tools to accomplish that goal. All you got to do is check in with them every day. If they have the tools and they have the target, check in with them every day. Hey, how close did you come to that hours per RO goal yesterday? Hey, I see you got really close to your gross profit goal last week. Hey, Johnny, you almost hit your production goal last week. That was flipping awesome, man. Do you think you can do it this week? And then when they do hit it, don't move the bar, hit it and celebrate with them. Buy them lunch, buy them a candy bar, give them a gas card, whatever it might be, and then see if they can hit it 4 to 6 weeks in a row again, celebrating the first 2 or 3 times that they do. You want them to become consistent with that new goal. And then at that point, you can raise the bar a little bit. Maybe you raise the stakes, maybe you raise the reward, all right? But goal set with them and celebrate with them. 2 big things you can do to motivate your automotive team. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.